Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to get back on the Jeep and hopefully we can wrap this up and get it back out on the road. Remember, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Now, like this fan, I couldn't remember which way it went on, this way or this way. So I look at the wear pattern, it's like that was up against a big surface, like the water pump, and then you can see here, these were just like a bolt-sized hole, so it goes this way. I think the radiator drops in with the fan on. Hopefully, otherwise I'll take the fan back off again. I think it does though. So we're making some good progress here on the Jeep. Let's see what else is in the parts pile, what we have left. I know I need some heater hoses yet. Okay, they look like they're in that pile right there. Looks like there's something right there too, so I gotta figure that out. It's crazy, it's been a while since I took this apart. I'm trying to remember everything. Make sure it all goes back together. We'll get it. Time to get a new oil filter. I'm gonna get some oil put in here. It'd be fun and all to start it without oil, see how long it lasts, but I don't think the customer would really appreciate it that much. This is 4 1/8 inches in diameter and 4 3/4 inches tall. So I'm gonna have to see what we got, because this is bigger than what they said they had at the parts store. I can't get it back in here. There we go. Let's see what we can find. If nothing else, I may have to call the customer and find out where they get them or if they know a number on them. I'm gonna pull this spark plug out so we can verify we're at top dead center. I think, like I said, I think we are, but I'm just gonna verify that. All right, hopefully the piston should be right at the top. And it is, it's right there. Yeah, I can see it right at the very top. Let's put the heater cord in. All right, now I just gotta bolt it down. All right, last part. There's a spring on here. I gotta remember where the spring goes. And there's a fitting. That goes here. This. This goes here, like that. All right, now I gotta figure out where the spring connects. All right, I guess I can put these bars in right away too. These just make the front end a little stiffer. Hit the other side. All right, I'll give you a quick walk around here before we fire it up so you can see what this all looks like. Then the snorkel tube will go through here and into there when it's all done. I just left it so I can lean in and adjust the timing. It'll make it a little bit easier because the distributor's down there and it is a little loose, so we can adjust it yet. But otherwise, as soon as the oil gets here, we'll see about firing it up. We got an issue with the filter too. I think we're gonna have to call the owner of this to see what the deal is with the filter, if he's got one or if he can tell us what the number is on it. Understandably, the parts store doesn't know, so we'll check that out, and then we'll try to fire it up. All right, 4 quarts right on the full, but we haven't run it yet, so I don't know if oil, how much fits in the filter area. So I'm gonna call that good for right now, and I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask Ed if he wants to pour coolant in it now or just fire it once to make sure everything's good. So anyway, that's good. forgot about that.
Is there a choke, a manual choke?
You know, there's a manual choke on the carburetor and it's hooked up, but
When you pull it, nothing happens?
well, I don't see a button in here for it. That's
Can you
the
see
thing.
something moving? I think I'm moving it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there you go.
Did it close?
I'm gonna say yeah, it went 90
Yeah,
degrees.
okay. It's good to get oil in it. Now we're gonna need to put a battery in it.
Yeah. Where's the battery in this pig?
It's up in the dash. You gotta shut the hood.
Okay.
All right, let's try it again.
It's pumping gas now.
All right, good.
There's some sediment in that filter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I would think it would have at least popped by now. I just want to double check this part.
Okay.
I can smell gas. I don't know if you can.
Not really.
Actually, really well.
There I can now.
Go ahead and turn it over. Yeah, it's got spark.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to take it off. Hang on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, contract.
There we go.
It's in neutral, right?
Yeah. I didn't see any gas come out of the carb or anything.
No, huh?
No.
Okay, we'll put it back together.
And
If it was flooding, I think you'd be shooting out gas.
yeah, I agree.
Liking the sound?
Oh, is this the violin right now?
That's way too hot.
Yeah. I didn't know if you had to put on the gas filter. I don't remember if it was like that or not, but literally, I have no clue what it goes to. Because that's the throttle.
Yeah, you can see it's not even,
It's the spring for the throttle.
it's broke.
No, you just came out of the hole.
Yeah, it's not working.
Well, the other part of this is
It's
the
because of
throttle
this?
spring. Well, the throttle spring
Oh, go ahead and
is
hook it up.
connected to this.
Yeah, go ahead and hook
and
it up
it's-
then. We're not flooding
Yeah.
out. Set it off first. See how we start.
All right. Yeah. All right, I'll tighten up the distributor and we'll see what happens. All right, let's take this Jeep around the building. Fires right up. Let's reverse. just checked all the fluids in it to make sure everything was where it's supposed to be. Mix it all up one more time, check it, and I think this thing will be done. Take it around back once. Hard to drive a stick and hold the camera. All right. How you doing today? Alright, we'll check all the fluids in here one more time and I think it'll be good to go. What's that?
Doesn't seem like it's starting, unless it didn't work. You remember?
Oh, when I was driving, it was up close to rate 14.
When I
You're
come
right, it's lower now.
Yeah, when I come back, we'll pop the hood and make sure a wire didn't come off or something.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for the Jeep. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time and who knows what we'll work on. It's always a mystery to me. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time and I don't know, who knows what we'll work on. I'm sure it'll be interesting. Interesting.